global solutions? That's one of the questions discussed at the BRICS summit in South Africa so far. BRICS leaders also discussed recent global developments. This is the first in-person BRICS summit after 3 consecutive years of virtual meetings because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The BRICS bloc, comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, brings together 5 of the largest developing countries of the world, representing 40% of the global population, 24% of the global GDP and 16% of the global trade. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has shared some pictures with other BRICS leaders on Platform X. PM Modi held a bilateral meeting with South African President Cyril Ramaphosa on the sidelines of the BRICS summit. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, NSA Ajit Doval and Foreign Secretary Vinay Quatra were also present at the meeting. The 2 leaders discussed trade, defence and investment. On Tuesday, the PM attended the BRICS Leaders Retreat and also addressed the BRICS Business Forum Leaders' Dialogues. PM Modi said that India will soon become a $5 trillion economy and is poised to become the growth engine of the world. He further said that Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa together can contribute significantly to global welfare, particularly in the global south. He told business leaders that mission mode reforms have improved the ease of doing business in India. He invited businesses to be part of the country's development journey. China's leader Xi Jinping unexpectedly skipped a scheduled speech at a key multilateral business forum in South Africa with no clear explanation. Xi arrived in Johannesburg for the BRICS summit on Monday evening, on what is only his 2nd international trip this year. According to the summit schedule, Xi was expected to attend the business forum and deliver remarks alongside other leaders. But instead, it was China's Commerce Minister Wang Wentao who read out his speech. Xi later attended the summit dinner, but no reason was given for missing the speech. It appeared to be a last-minute decision. China's Commerce Minister Wang Wentao delivered the statement saying that some country obsessed with maintaining its hegemony and has gone out of its way to cripple the emerging markets and developing countries. In a veiled attack at the US, the Commerce Minister of China said, and I quote, "Everything we do is to deliver better lives to our people, but some country obsessed with maintaining its hegemony and has gone out of its way to cripple the emerging markets and developing countries. Whoever is developing fast becomes its target of containment. Whoever is catching up becomes its target of obstruction. But this is futile. Every country has the right to development and the people in every country have the freedom to pursue a happy life," Wentao said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.